City boys. Outlaw. I mean Outlaw, my bad. Quantifying Outcast. Tweaking in that big old truck. I got the Hummer out here. That's nice. Mustangs out, man. My Mustang gone. They keep pulling these Mustangs out. It's hurting my feelings. There's like a yellow one over there. There's like a purplish, reddish one over there. They keep pulling these Mustangs out, hurting my feelings. I don't really like Nissans, but I kind of like that little Nissan. They call it a Z, a 370Z. Correct me if I'm wrong. In the comments if I'm wrong. Only Nissan. I don't really like that many Nissans, but I like them Nissans. Looking at shit. Seeing what's out there. Pull up in that hill, can't catch that. Bitch wanna suck cause she heard that I've been that. Bitch, I flexin', I got racks, bitch, I got big check. That bitch, I'm up on my dick, she wanna get sex. I don't wanna know that shit, bitch, but you can't get that. I'm out here flexin' with my niggas, riding in the vet. Niggas talking, they not on it.
It's a black Chevelle. They got red and here. A little red and here. And the engine department all.
What's up, fella?
Really? That's big gate.
Crazy.
That's a big gate. What was they trying to get?
Yeah. Boo gang over here, y'all. Boo gang. G body, baby. G body. Regal, boy, love it. That's us.
Right. Put the kids outside.
Another one. Another don't vert. Clean to death too. good, boy. Yes, sir.
You in that mouth, boy?
Yeah.
Hey, that's right. Hey, anyone know if Madison still got the construction? They fix it yet?
Where? Madison?
I'm mad, man. I'm mad. I just got left by a vet, man. I ain't gonna need that. He just left me. I'm finna see what he on, though. We at this light up in the seat behind me. Behind me. He just left me. I ain't gonna lie, but we finna see. I couldn't even catch it. Connected to my radio. Yeah, I ain't the type of guy. I ain't gonna lie about somebody do me dirty. I'm gonna be honest. He did me dirty. Wait till I get my keys wheels running. I think I need a rear end. I need a rear end. It's making clicking sounds, and when I do burnouts, it whine. Order me a tripod though. I'm ordering all my things I need, so I can be able to put the camera down. And I'm looking at my digital rear view. I think I need like a control arm or something like. If y'all know, tell me what it means if when your car gliding off into a direction and stuff like. I think I probably need like something, actual control arm, something. I don't know what, but I need something. I be forgetting to turn my phone sideways. I be forgetting I gotta turn my phone sideways. I got used to it. Yeah, but anyway, like I was saying, there you go. Oh, there you go. Lucky I gotta get off. I would've played it with him. Lucky I gotta get off. He riding. But yeah, like I was saying, so I gotta finish get my baby together. I ain't gonna even lie. After being in that new thing, I ain't gonna lie to you. I kind of want to upgrade, but for real, like I know I just got him, and I made a lot of promises, and said I was gonna stick to something. Sound was sounded like my door's open or something. But it's a truck, man. But yeah, like I want something a little bit newer. I ain't gonna say it's gonna be as new as that truck, as that Chevy Traverse, but it's gonna be something like that. Let me over something. Let me over fucking yeah. That's it for now, man. That's it for now. Can't win, folks. Over these shit, folks. My folks try to steal my shit, folks. Just let me know. That's why I don't even want this shit. That's why I don't want it. That's why I don't want nothing new, for I love my old shit. I don't want nothing new. I don't want nothing new, folks. I can't win. Motherfucker gotta go get this motherfucking window fixed. I can't take this shit back to them like this, fam. I can't take this shit back to them like this, fam. Shit is, man, bro, it's irritating. This ain't never happened to me. I ain't never came outside, and I have shit with a lot of expensive shit that's inside my car, though. Literally, like, they didn't even, my gold still in here, my motherfucking watch still in here, everything. Like, y'all didn't even do this shit right. Y'all did this just to take the car. Y'all didn't even do this to see what's in the car, for. Like, shit irritating as fuck. Can't win, bro. Can't win. Gotta take this motherfucker back, man. I ain't even take my radio. My radio's still right there. Up here at the place I hate the most. Got full coverage. They said I gotta make a police report, so gotta make a police report. I don't really want to go one now, but I don't want to get charged, so you know how that go. So I don't want no new car no more. I take it back. But everything I see, I don't want it. I don't want no new car. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Man, it's real crazy, man. Man, it's got full coverage. Now I'm trying to see how the insurance people finna trigger this, cause man, I ain't even cleaned it out, so I'm finna have to clean it out. They probably ain't finna give me nothing else, but I really don't even care. I just want my truck. I don't even want it no more. I don't even want to deal with it. They can get this motherfucker. They ain't trying to charge me nothing. It don't matter, but it's crazy how I was doing everything right. You know? Go through what I go through. But I'm telling y'all, man, the more I record, y'all gonna see, man, this be my day-to-day. The more I record, y'all see this my day-to-day. Like, man, I go through some of the craziest, most crazy shit, man. But it's your boy, man. Keep going. I'm trying, man. V8 Macho, man. I don't even want to show my face. I'm so blue, like I want to smoke. Like I need to, man. I later took my motherfucker. Only thing that came on missing at them for my weed, for real, my smoke, but.
Look, I remember them long ass nights, all the nights that we lived on the M. Quiet ass nigga that'll hit you on your shit, call him Drench. Still I walk through a nigga hood, get you drenched. Tryna hustle as a G. Late nights tryna rob a hustle down the seal, finna re-up on a zip. Back then we was bumping, till I got a pipe, I bust a nigga shit. I was clutching on the Smith. Came out downstairs writing raps till it's like get the gloves just for fun. We was this come my way of living. Bitch, this bad city. I turn this shit to a life show. I know he wanna crash with me. Back then I had a Ruben, I took a Cougar, I let off a bad 50. Boy, double XL, no double XL. A rapper, but I got a mag with me. No thermal fit, keep a balaclava. If it's trouble, then I got a mash with me. You dissing the songs to think you Gucci, hit your studio, changing your man. Quick, a big 30, bitch, I get you bad quick. You earned it, I make you an ass, nigga. Dissing, I bet he won't last. I'm dumping the mag, I'll give you my last. Look, heard what we did to the last nigga, make me mad, nigga, I'll flip. Nigga start tweaking, you know that's your ass, nigga. I'm a man, girl, but I'll build. 4-4 way, how I'm getting you back. Sweet turds, I turn nigga to zip. Cinderella had a button be glass. I'll take the nigga right down till he slip. Yeah, arm, leg, but I'm sitting in the drink from the hip. Let the AR fin till they all dead. Got 100 some shots in the clip. ABOD had that bitch get to punching. I know it's gon' kick, but I won't miss. Nigga got his head wrapped while he was driving. Shit started leaning, I thought it was Trish. If it smoke, I gotta be okay. 2 for 1, keep it 300 black. All my kids and niggas start talking shit. No lids, I'm shopping for hats. Knew a nigga right now slide through the trench. So many hats, I gave him a plaque. Shoot it at Max. Nigga had dropped in my op on the now he relax. Look, this come my way of living. Bitch, this bad city. I turn this shit to a light show. Nigga need Geico, he wanna crash with me. Back then I had a Ruger, now I took a Cougar. I let off a bad 50. Wore double XL, no double XL. A rapper, but I got a mag with me. No thermal fit, keep a balaclava. If it's trouble, then I got a mask with me. You dissing the songs to think you Gucci, hit your studio, changing your man. Quick, a big 30, bitch, I get you bad quick. You earned it, I make you an ass, nigga. Dissing, I bet he won't last. I'm dumping the mag.
So I finally took Traverse back, and they gave me another white thing, man. They gave me a van. I don't even know. Just feel like y'all know I love Vinos, but it wasn't what I thought it was gonna be, man. I didn't even know they was gonna do me like this. I didn't know they was gonna do me like this. Chrysler Pacifica. It's the Mopar, right? This is considered a Mopar. I think it's a Mopar, right? These motherfucker fast too, for scratching and everything. I'm trying to see if it's in sport mode or not. I don't know. The ying. No, you hit me, hit my end. I'm gone. Oh, you bitch! Comment where I'm at right now. If y'all know where I'm at, comment. Time of the video. Where I'm at. Go around this bitch. Go around this bitch. Excuse my language. And that's what was in front. What you mean? That was in front of his big ass. Catch him. I go 100. Put that 100 on there. Put that 100.
So much shit. Whoa.
Thank you. They gonna do it again now. They gonna do it.
Bag, I want all the money. Don't pay me 20s for no show, pay me in all hundreds. These niggas looking like bowling pins when we slide through. That nigga ain't no killer, he just parked in a drive-through. Not me, this bitch and drive in case I got
Cameraman.
Macho with me down the ride, in case I'm finna move. When I'm trying to get freaky, got nice titties, she might be my boo. I don't come with two-faced, but nigga on my face. Balenciaga mix it with the Prada, that's that jungle juice. He disrespect, he gon' regret it.
I look down, man. Fuck you talking about? Got the scratch? Yeah, this is my cat right here. And it's Durango behind me. I'm ready to start all type of, you hear me? Yeah, move the last car on, man. Do it one more time for the people. Turn up this little bitty street right here. Turn up this little bitty street, roll the windows down. Come on now. Come on, man. Turn the AC off. Cameraman, I like that. Point the camera at the dashboard. Put that bitch back in. Put that bitch back in here. And I need to see this. They ain't gonna break through no. This motherfucker. I can see this. Nah, they probably will. They probably will. He's got a little track hawk engine there. See why they be doing that shit in that charge. I see why. Bitch ready. I'm telling this bitch I'm not. That did up. Oh, that truck ain't let me go in sport mode. That truck ain't let me do what I want to do. I gotta have my thing. I gotta give me the cameraman. The cameraman, man. I get my tripod or something. It's all good shit. Put that bitch back and drive. Look, nah. Twist it, look. Take the top off. Take the top off. Pop! You got them things? Oh, you can record them. Nothing. Nothing. Disregard that. We gonna edit it out.
I just realized that you're talking about.
You don't need. Shh, you're not supposed to be talking, cameraman. They eat this shit, not pay attention. Ooh. Oh, it's like, oh. What's that move shit feel like? Okay. This ain't no minivan right here. This is track hope right here. The track hope isn't in here. Okay, tell me I'll get out the way. Don't play that truck shit. Don't play that truck shit. Scratching on the head. I like them colors. I want to try to drive that Mustang. I want to see what's to it. I miss my Mustang. I miss my Mustang. I don't have a drop top. I could though. I got somebody on Facebook Market offering $900 for one train slipper. I don't know. I might go back Mustang. I don't know yet. It's a nice little color. Look at that motherfucker. I don't know if y'all can see it, man, but I'm behind the Dark Horse, man. I love these motherfuckers. I love them, bro. I don't even think it's Dark Horse, though. It's too wild. Probably be a lookalike substance. Y'all see what I mean? You know what I mean, man? She on my baby. I'm looking at my radio. I'm trying to install this radio. I can't get it to sit on there right because y'all see how it's made. But I'm gonna find a way. I'm gonna find a way. Coming up to 9. Yeah, I wanted to try to catch it, but he gone. And I don't think it's a Dark Horse for real, because it's too quiet. It ain't no muffler popping, nothing. I know either factory, they still got some type of sound to them. Like, yeah, they got some type of sound to them. I know they do. I should be getting my tripod tomorrow, so we're gonna be back in there. We're gonna be able to see everything that's supposed to be seen. Oh, fuck them. So yeah, that's it for now. One last look at the rental. I ain't gonna lie, I'll be real honest. This motherfucker is fast. It's fast. It's real fast. Like, way faster than the truck was. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, it's scratching and everything. Like, when I get in it, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like a fan. Like, yeah, this one, I ain't gonna lie. For me to expect for it to be the van, I swear I thought the truck was gonna be better. But I ain't gonna lie, this is better than the truck to me, y'all. Hands down. Somebody scratching and scratching. Yeah, like I was saying. This was the one, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna get something real soon though, but this is the one, y'all. right there. Yeah. Yeah, I want to see in the flow how you did that. Just want to see how to do it. Got a little growl to it and everything. It's on now, you don't even hear it. Green.
Missing my little brother, so I'm finding Glock clutcher and a lot, trying to tie up the night. Don't turn my ears off if you sliding night. Trying to send it out to this cowboy guy. Late night slice, got ties with the mob, get a suit and tie, you know, pan the box. Out the shipping on my mind with the crying to stop. So many times I relied on God. That be the reason 4 lines of job. I done seen shit hit the nigga mind and rock. Trying to hit a hot block, but it's mind and rock. Love behind the top.
The way I see a nigga, they switch. The nigga bitch. When he see that Draco flash in front of his face.
Like, different day, folks. We have always fucking it up. They always fucking it up. Man, I gotta pay my windshield.